Christmas! It's that time of the year again. December has come, and with the joy of Christmas. Christmas is the time of the year when we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, which Christians believe is the Son of God. This is a time where our loved ones, our friends, our families come together to share laughter and joy, and also remember all the good they've had all the years past. Children especially love this season so much because this is the time they get to actually present and also get a lot of presents as well. My name is Susan Umsova, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead. Remember to stay safe and by all means share the love this Yuletide season. Thank you.